audience. First of all, let's thank Allah, who has been giving us some mercies and blessings. Secondly, may salawat and salam be with our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness or lightness in the world, as well as in hereafter. Before I deliver my speech, let me introduce myself. My name is Zikri Fahmi Hamizan. I am 7 years old and I am a student of elementary school 3 of Banjar. Today I want to deliver my speech under the title, Why Always Plastic? Plastic is widely used everywhere this day, from household to supermarket. Plastic is found everywhere. People use plastic because it is convenient to use and cheap. We all know that plastic must take a long time to decompose. It can take up to 1,000 years to decompose plastic in the landfill. 2 million plastic bags are used every day worldwide, and there are a few types of plastic that are not recyclable. Because of that, every year nearly 1.1 million birds and animals being killed by plastic. So say no to plastic single use. That's all my speech. I do apologize if there are some mistakes in my speaking. I hope there is benefit for us, especially for my speaking. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi